Michelle, and she is moisturized. Today, I'm not only going to be styling this beautiful ombre unit from WowAfrican, I'm also going to be trying out some new beauty products. So I got some beauty products from Colourpop, and this is the Proceed with Caution eyeshadow palette. And I also got my Juvia's Place foundation, which I'm so excited to finally try. But I will also tell you that Miss Juvia did not come to play, honey. She came to slay. And there's 876 billion different foundation colors, and I swear 5 of them were like the perfect match in the store. So I don't know how it's gonna look. Hopefully it works. So here's the inside of the cap, and I went ahead and I added some foundation, and it's a 360. It came with the adjustable strap doohickey bra thingy that I take out that I don't use because my head's too big. Adjustable straps and combs and a very stretchy wig case. Wig case? Slow down. Anyway, boom, she's cut. So let's go ahead and put her on. All I'm doing now is using the Skin Protect. Bye, bye. See how this looks. Make sure I don't have to do any more adjusting. So drink it up. I'm gonna go ahead and add the glue. You said you didn't mean it, that you went too far, trying to act like you forgot. You're acting like I'm crazy, like I made this up, but baby, I think not. All those late night conversations when you said you want my heart, and you think I'm so amazing, you don't like being apart. You told me you miss me, and you need me, that you love more than my body. Alright, so I'm just gonna work on my eyebrows really quick. My eyebrows are nothing special and they're nothing to write home about. I don't have awesome eyebrows. My eyebrows are regular, degular, schmegular eyebrows. I don't ever get my eyebrows plucked. But that drink bit doesn't lie, so drink it up. So, I think there might have been an issue with my palette because I noticed that this color maintenance is a little bit more corally when she has her palette, but we're gonna make it work. So I'm gonna go ahead in with Culture, I guess, and I'm gonna use that with a fluffy brush. I'll use a pointed crease brush, and then I'll go in with Hazard, which is right here. Now I'm gonna be using gloves on in the outermost corner of my eye. So now I'm going in with Warning. This is a very bright, corally, peachy, kind of orangish, bright shade. I think I'm gonna put Drill right next to that Warning. And then I'm gonna go in with Caution, right in the innermost tear ducts of my eyes. Innermost tear ducts. I know that's the right way to say it, but that doesn't sound right. So I'm excited now, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the same primer that I use on my eyelids on my whole face. I want my face to be moisturized, even though every single review that I've seen on this foundation says that a little goes a very long way. So like I said before, I had a little bit of trouble picking my foundation color because I was in between shades, so I felt conviction when I put this color on in the store because of my undertones. I felt like it matched my undertones much more. This is the color Kampala. It is 340. This is very thick. Look at that. Look how it comes out. It says it is full coverage, not medium to full. Look at that. See, that's my color. Ooh, I think I put way too much. We're just gonna spread it around. It is only $20. And I'm ready to blend. That's crazy. So my face is super flat, so I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna add our dimensions again. I'm going to go in with my Fenty Sunstalker Bronzer in Cocoa Naughty.
They say a drunk mind speaks sober thoughts. So baby, what are you saying? Gotta tell me one thing. When you take them shots, but the next day you're just playing. Now baby, I don't need my time wasted. If you don't want me, then just say yes. Instead of calling up my phone when you've been drinking all night long. You're gonna act like you ain't saying. You're gonna act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions, but that drink, babe, doesn't lie. So drink it.
So this is the final look with my Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation and the Prestige Precaution palette, and I love the lip. This is my new favorite look. So now we can get into this wig, this beautiful ombre, very similar to a wig that I have previously did a review for. This is a TLW 501. This one is also more of a caramelly color, and I received mine in 18 inches. I'm going to just put a light curl in it all the way around, nothing really special. She came pre-plucked, but of course I customized her a bit more. And the roots are darker, so I think it's more complimentary for my skin color, because if I had this hair color and it started at the root, it would not really, no. Like the picture, like it looked when I got her, because I took all the style out of this thing. Just little cute curls like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that all around my head.
I caught you off guard, you falling real hard. Well, sorry, I'm not sorry. You're gonna act like you ain't saying. You're gonna act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions.
I think I'm going to do something with the front.
Drink it up, drink it up. I wanna know what's on your mind, so drink it up. Want you to tell me that you're mine, so drink it up. Tell me you love me once again, so drink it up.
I think that's what it needed. Now we look like the 2000s. It's my goal. And we are done, ladies and gentlemen. Now I know that was a little bit more labor intensive than some people are willing to commit to their hair. 360 wigs, you can take them off. They still have combs. You can wear them completely glueless, and you can forego all of the rigmarole of trying to get your edges laid, because the way that the hair comes is perfectly natural. I am feeling this makeup look. I love that collab by MakeupShayla and Colourpop, but they always bring the heat. If anybody has any questions about the items that I used on my face or my hair during this review demo, tutorial, put it in the description, put it in the comment section below. I will try to get to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, WowAfrican, and thank you, you guys. Always, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Bye!
You're gonna act like you ain't saying. You're gonna act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions, but that drink, babe, doesn't lie.